Hello, my amazing friends. Have you ever felt like you were meant for more, but no one else sees it? Like you're living someone else's life? Just going along with the crowd? What if I told you, you might be a lion, living like a sheep? Watch this story closely. And if you've ever felt misunderstood, underestimated, or held back, leave a comment with just one word. Lion. Let the world know. You're ready to roar. Once upon a time, in a quiet valley surrounded by mountains, a flock of sheep grazed peacefully. Among them was a lion. But he didn't know he was a lion. He believed he was just another sheep. You see, when he was a cub, hunters had killed his mother. He was left alone. But a kind shepherd found him and brought him home. The lion grew up with the sheep. He walked like them. He ate grass like them. He feared like them. Every time he heard a loud noise, he ran. Every time the shepherd shouted, he obeyed. And every time he saw his reflection in the river, he looked away. He didn't understand the power in his own eyes. One day, a roar echoed through the valley. A wild lion appeared. The sheep ran in fear, and the lion ran with them. But the wild lion saw him and shouted, "Why are you running?" "Because I'm a sheep," the young lion cried. The wild lion laughed, not in mockery, but in disbelief. "Come with me," he said. "Look into the water." They walked to the river, and there, side by side, the lion saw it. He wasn't a sheep. He was powerful, strong, a king by nature, living like a servant. For the first time, he roared, and the valley shook. That day, he left the flock, not with anger, but with purpose. He had discovered his truth. He was never meant to follow. He was meant to lead. So tell me, are you living as your true self, or are you hiding, like the lion in the flock? Comment lion if you're ready to find your voice, to remember who you really are, and share this story with someone who needs it today. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories that teach English. And unlock the strength you've had all along. Because one thing is certain, you got this. The meaning of the words for the beginners who learn English is in description. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video, and remember, the best is yet to come.